Hello advocates, this is Sam from Honey Software Company. Today I will show you how to create a website on Honey Software Company Advocate Office Management in 2 minutes. It will not take more than 2 minutes. I will show you how to create it. You just need to come here and click on login. You need to just log in our site. And one beautiful thing is, if you see on the screen, it will send you to the unscheduled cases if you have at least one unscheduled case in the list actually. So I have some unscheduled cases which I have not given entered the date. That's why it has moved me over there. So here, if you see, one profile picture is there. I can see my current web page. I can enter the office address. So I will enter some dummy office address for your understanding, and then I will enter the zip code. It is very important because people will search using the zip code. This is very important. City will be Pune. I am from Pune actually, so I am entering Pune. Whatever your city stay in, you can mention. So education will be something related to LLB or LLM or something, whatever you want, whatever is your education. So click on submit. This is the personal information, and after clicking on submit, it should show us the next page. So like this. So in the next page, my email ID and mobile number is given. This is the dummy email ID and dummy mobile number. So you have to agree with the personal and professional information terms and conditions that we will be displaying to people. However, we will not display email ID and mobile number to anybody. We will only display your name and all, which is very common actually. So we also send this information to Google so that it can index, and whenever any people search for you or search for your profession, like anybody needs civil side lawyers, property dispute lawyers, or if you see in the screen, there are some categories that I have mentioned, like civil, property disputes, criminal cases, meditations. So we send this data that particular advocate practices in these sectors. So Google will index this data, and he will show your name whenever people searches for property dispute advocate in whatever your city. Let's say you are in Pune or you are in Mumbai. So property dispute lawyer in Pune. So it will display your name also. It's very important actually. And achievements you can write, you can leave. That's up to you. Practice places, wherever you practice, you mention here because it will be displayed in your profile. You will be able. I will show you how it will be displayed, and however you can change it anytime. There is no problem. You can, it's a matter of 1 minute. Also, you can upload the files. Maximum 5 files, gallery images you can upload, and it will be displayed on the main website. So I am done with this. I am clicking on submit. That's it. So my data is saved now. If I want to see how it will look like, I will come to my website info button and click on go to my web page. So it will show me whatever data I have filled in right now. And you can share this URL with your clients, or you can also give this link on your visiting card also if you want. However, you can come to my profile like this, and I will show you. You can download the QR code also in one click. So you see here, QR code is here. You just need to click this download button, and it will download this QR code. You can send to your visiting card creator, which will be very easy for him to put this QR code in your visiting card also, like this. So these are the URLs which are by which you can go to your website. And you see here, the gallery images are changing, they are rotating, and then anybody can come on your website, and they can take the appointment request, and they will select the date and time. That's very important. And after that, education, you can here also you can edit because I'm logged in. It is showing me to update it. You see here, it is showing the practice information. You can anytime update it. So this is all, and anybody can send you the mail with whatever detail he has question with, and you can respond if you wish. So these kind of messages will be sent to your mobile and your email ID. It is not coming to us actually. So it's very important that people can find you and they can try to contact you, and then you can decide whether you want to respond to them or you want to ignore them. So it is completely professional and hidden thing. If you see here, your mobile number is not shown anywhere actually. It is our company's mobile number shown on the right side. But whenever people will try to send the message will go to your mobile and your email ID. This is the beauty of this application. So log in, join in, it's free. Currently we are not charging any money, so don't worry about it. Just have a digital presence on Google and increase your search result. If you have any kind of questions, you can contact us on our mobile number, which is given on the right side of this page, and also you can contact through our email ID also. Thank you very much. Have a good day.